Right then people, well welcome back. We're on the Isle of Man again, and these are the three steeds that we've got. Look at that, furring up the middle of the tyre a bit there, not seen that before. That's getting changed tomorrow. We've got a first, well it's had its first service, but it's going for another one. So I'll just faff about while the guys are getting ready. That is one thing with the GoPro and stuff. Just takes a bit of time to set it all up. I think we're in for a treat today, weather-wise. Got the trusty quad lock. Put that in there. Dad can go. Wait a second. Then we're going to have the Insta360 on. I've got a feeling this is going to end up getting flopped about a bit, but it's okay. I'll just give that a try. I don't want to scratch the BM. Oh, I've left it in gear, I think. Yeah. Oh, I found neutral, that was easy. Stand is down, sticky stones, come on. So yeah, we stayed on the promenade. I came here last time in May, 6 weeks ago, and that's the apartment building I'm in. It's really nice actually. I did a bit of a once round of the apartment, so I'll show you that. So we'll start with the living area. So living and kitchen, clearly the important things there. So we've got a bit of a breakfast area. Kitchen. I'm using this new gimbal that I've bought, but I don't think I'm using it very well. So lounge. It's quite colourful, I guess. There's a big boat out there. I didn't see it dock today. It was there the first thing this morning, so what does these do? Look at that, I'm figuring out technology. Just a shame it doesn't zoom. Right, so yeah, it's pretty standard to be fair, but very pleased with it. The bike's just outside. There's parking for one vehicle. Two bikes if you've got two bikes. So bedroom number one. Little giraffe if you're a monkey over there as well. If you feel homesick without your fluffy toys. Bathroom 2. Or an ensuite, I guess. Squeaky shoes. Master bathroom. I think the woman's a Buddhist, so it's all like incense type stuff. And then the master bedroom. So it's a little bit cluttered at the moment. I've got my riding stuff here and my very handy Helson's bum bag. Yeah, and all my sort of GoPro stuff. On a previous video, somebody recommended the CAF, C-A-F-F, I think it is. Opens at 6:30, so when you get off the ferry over there, you can go and get something to eat. It's kind of like a greasy spoon cafe, but it's quite nice. And yeah, loads of bars and stuff like that. We did go to a fantastic Brazilian bar, actually, for a restaurant, should I say? And it was a fantastic. I'm carrying the weight of the Brazilian beef around with me today. Tried to shift some of it, but my God, I've got a food baby. Yeah, it was, I think, £35. All you can eat. There was a salad bar, and we had some Brazilian beer, and they came out with like 12 different cuts of meat. You know, there was honey pork and I think rump steak, Brazilian steak, chicken thighs. It's fantastic. Came on a big skewer and they just sort of cut it off for you.
No, film it, no. Thank you. Okay.
So the guys have been out this morning. They're a bit more keen than I am. I came, like I said, a couple of weeks ago, and was doing all this. So the fact that we've got a full day riding today, it's our checkout day, means that, you know, between it's about 11:30 a.m. now and 7 p.m. at night, I'm going to get plenty of riding done there, full 8 hours. These have already been out this morning screaming around the mountain, and yeah, I've been having a lie in because I had a few beers last night. So we'll let the guys saddle up, and we're going to head off over the mountain course, and then probably work our way down to the south of the island and get some breakfast or lunch at the Sound Cafe. So let's see how they're getting on. Have you got enough room in there? I've just stuck my stuff in. Yeah. Feel free to move it around if you need.
No, you're fine.
Oh my god, I'm sweating already.
Looking alright, yeah, the road's alright. See me down. Glorious day.
So we've got Joel with us today. You've seen a video we did on the Isle of Man probably 2 years ago. I came on the Fireblade, Joel came on the MT-10. We've known each other about 10 years, met through work. And Ryan is a current colleague with Joel, actually owns a company called Moto Mafia. So they do prestigious second-hand bikes, and this is one of them. It's actually up for sale. So we can maybe showcase it a little bit today. Not that I can keep up with them, because they are very fast riders. And I put a little chicken on his chicken strip the other day. I don't know how, not sure how funny he found it, but I thought it was hilarious. Oh yeah, look at that. Here he is. Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
And it's part of the same group who went to the Isle of Skye with as well, if you watch the channel. There's a couple more of their friends, but that was really good. And again, Ryan was kind enough to put us up in his house, and I'm returning the favour this time. And one thing Ryan's got as well that I've not seen before is it's like a sun reactive visor, so it's gone just bright dark, really dark there. It was clear before, so that's pretty handy. Saves carrying stuff around with you.
Can you hear me now?
Just squeeze past, mate. It's alright, it's alright. Let's get this warmed up. Intimidating sounds of the V4. Sorry? So I think if we go over the mountain, and maybe if I go in front and try and get some of you from behind on this, and then when we turn around at the bottom at the hairpin, I'll follow you guys as best I can, and get some footage of you guys. And then when we come to the end of it, we can probably just go towards the Sound Cafe over well, the fastest route or something. We'll figure it out. Oh! Never doubted it. These guys have got the Cardo as well, Bluetooth, so they're chatting away to each other, probably laughing at my terrible technique on the bike. Yeah, I've got these. I tried to protect it, but that's not quite doing the job it was supposed to do. Right, I think we're all zipped up, ready to go. Let's have some fun, stay on it. These mirrors are terrible, so we've sort of said, oh, they went that way, bollocks. I said, if you're going to scream past me on a blind bend, I'm not going to see you doing it. Oh. All good to go, I think. Right then. Oh. So the mirrors, I do get asked about these mirrors quite a lot. They're okay. I can see there, but I think when you're gunning it, I mean, well, no matter what mirrors you've got, you're too busy looking forward, trying not to die. Oh, that's it. Get some wind between through the leathers. Getting a bit sticky. But no, it's interesting. I don't normally ride in a group, or if I do, it's a couple of neighbours and a work colleague. I'm usually the fastest one.
Not that it matters, but and when you come onto the island, we were talking about this the other night in the bar. You sort of, if you've never been before, and you think, wow, you can go as fast as you want over the mountain, you'd have thought it'd be a racetrack, but it really isn't. People take it quite easy, and you know, generally speaking, from the people I've seen, I'm usually the fastest on the mountain. I'm sure they've got the capability, but they're just enjoying themselves. So it was a bit of a surprise coming here with these guys. They're serious riders, the track day riders, and not that it's a race, but I can't keep up at all. You know, Ryan, for example, right behind on the BM, he'll ship his bike over to Qatar, go and do the LaSalle circuit, and you know, then fly back. So they're serious riders. But we're all here to have fun and go home at the end of it, so you know, no pressure. And that down blipper is fantastic. One thing I will say before I get out of breath and struggle to maintain my vision is I recently re-rode the Triumph Tiger 1200. I'm really set on getting something like that for longer distance tours. So I went to Triumph, re-rode it, and tried to get it down the side of my house. Now there'll be some video footage of me dicking about trying to do it. It wasn't a fun experience. And as it happens, I went into Douglas yesterday because they've got loads of like t-shirt shops and merchandise shops, and I've never bought anything. So I thought I'll grab I saw a BSA hat. So I thought I'll grab one of them. And while I was there walking back, there were two Triumph Tigers next to each other, a 900 GT Pro and a 1200. And you could see the bars on the 900 are so much thinner. Because especially on the 1200, you've probably got like an inch of the actual hand guard, maybe more actually. So I'm tempted to go back to Triumph and ask them if I can re-test ride, but the 900, which will have been my third test ride of a Tiger. So let's see how they get on with it. Alright then, so the guys will be ready to go. Alright, I think we're ready. I'm in tour mode, put that into sport. Traction, because I end up accidentally bumping it with the clutch lever. Now we've got a bit of traffic today. Front wheel's getting a bit light, not normally used to that. I really do hope the audio goes well on this video, because I'm always plagued with shit like that. See, that was what I was saying before, the biker here just kind of chilling out and enjoying themselves. To be fair, it'll give us a chance to warm the tyres up a little bit, because we've only just started. But I've never seen the TT, the racing, and I think that must be one of the most humbling experiences for a biker, because the idea of absolutely full send down here is quite a scary thought really, so fair play to those boys. Come on, Tuono's ready to go now. We've got traffic. We've got traffic. Is he parked? Coming down the mountain there. Now that looks fun. I'm very greedy with the road as well, but why not? And you can see there's nothing coming, you might as well be. Probably safer. Feels a little bit light today. Oh, we're going to have traffic for a good section here. Got to look out for those traffic lights as well. Bouncy. I'm jabbing away at the throttle today, I'm just not getting into it just yet. Great fun though, my god. Down a bit now, my god, that was really fun. I am absolutely sweating. To be fair, it's better doing it the other way around, to be honest. And I've earned myself the nickname Suicide Chris, which is quite funny. On the last trip to the Isle of Skye, I was called Scuba Steve, because I had all my waterproofs. But on this one, Suicide Chris, which I'm a bit unsure about, really. I think what happens is the guys like to just go and take the cars as they see them, where I'll normally sort of sit back a little bit, choose my moment and think, yeah, I know I can definitely make the overtake before the corners. So to them it probably looks like I'm going into blind corners, but here they are. Well, I'm already knackered and ready for some food. just insane, this, guys. No, that's the fun over. That was enjoyable. Woo! My God. Oh, I'm out of breath. So for me, I don't need to do that for 8 hours. That was fine as it was. What are we on? Traction still on 8, wheelies on 2. Happy with those. Let's get past this. Alright, let's get some feedback. Whew, my hands hurting. All good? You okay?
That was fast.
It's the front feels quite light today. I don't know whether it's I've not changed anything.
Yeah.
Just like, oh bloody hell.
No, it's fast. That was a fast pace. You good?
It was okay. I was been telling him I'm slowing you all down.
Yeah, down after all, mate. That was fucking rapid.
It's
Then we've been going at past few
Yeah, I know. That was pretty fast. There was some certain sections when I was like, you were gapping me. I was like, fucking hell, he's fast there.
is this just for the camera?
Don't forget to give me that 20 quid later on.
Yeah. So I'm absolutely. Are we stopping? I'm sweating.
The amount of flies and stuff.
Yeah. Didn't take long, did it?
Right in my field of view.
Yeah, I won't mind a minute actually. Fucking hell, I'm wringing wet. Now that's not taking long to clear. My God, that's roasting actually. You don't normally see that on the road.
Oh, yeah, they were giving us some magic.
Go on, Babby. Hopefully the... Ah, look, I think we're good. Oh. Really?
Yeah, like look down did 150 something.
Right.
It's like I've only done 140 something. I think it's because you know the road better.
Yeah, I think
so. You can kind of get out and open it, whereas when we're going, we're like,
Yeah. It's it changes a bit when you've got a camera on.
I bet you go harder, don't
A
you?
little bit, yeah.
Well, you've got to. People are watching. That's the thing.
That's it.
Mate, that was fast. That was a fast pace. Having some right giggles.
Huh?
I was having some right giggles.
You two, why? About what?
No, I was just giggling in my head.
Oh,
like,
right.
Just like, we don't talk when we're going that fast because it's too fast. I was giggling, just laughing, like when we were hitting some of the corners harder. I was just having a right laugh. Right, you can see I think the gaps was the rights because you're confident in the right.
Yeah.
And I was catching on the lefts.
Yeah, I'm not
confident on the lefts.
Not a fan. It should just be one
I
oval.
don't know how the fuck you get your knee down that downward left. It's like the pavement's miles away.
I got it.
How, man?
Where was that?
You know, these like tight hair.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Right. Well, there's a really... Where the trike came past us and there were some fast boys coming.
Yeah.
That's that long sweeper.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know they cut the road, don't
if you
they?
cut the if you go wide, I think you'd get your knee down there, wouldn't you? Like.
At like 130 or something, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
a cat size though. You don't want your knee like on a.
Yeah, I'm very greedy and I unsettle my... There's no cat size on this, I don't think. Maybe.
Not sure, no.
All right. Yeah.
Not sure, but that always throws me off.
I'm not really that bothered about getting my knee down. I prefer doing the jumps and that. I think that's way more fun. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to overemphasise to get
Yeah,
my knee down.
yeah.
I'm not bothered. You get your knee down all the time on track.
I've not done it for years. I thought Craig Nabar, right? I tried Craig Nabar. you see at the distance, a couple of guys, a couple of leathers. I'm like, right, go on then. And then you're like, oh no, don't drop it, don't drop it. Don't.
It's too busy there, wasn't it?
Huh?
It was too busy there.
Yeah, there's a lot of traffic on that one. Joe's got to get himself some hay. Thing is, sometimes when you're following someone, I'm too busy looking at his back wheel rather than the corner. That BMW is so quick as well. Get the turn in right, don't miss that. Forget this is a first gear corner, I've messed it up. Nice bit of indicating there, lad. Right, whoa, front's getting light, Jesus. Bit of a shame, it spoils the hair, the section there. So this is the one that can sort of catch you out a little bit. It's very fun, isn't it? And it's so long as well. I mean, 2 laps, 2 lengths over the mountain, and you've done nearly 30 miles. sometimes I don't do 30 miles on a whole day out. God, it's popping and banging. Such a racket going past people's cars with the window down. My God. If that's all we do today, I've had fun. My God. I need a shower and a Magnum. My God, give me some shade. Wow. Fast, isn't it? Oh, sorry. It's the wind, I think. Oh, nice. That's funny. Huh?
Anywhere else in the UK, they'd be like, what a fucking bunch of wankers. Yeah.
I've got that on video.
Brilliant.
One thing I will say, the Insta360 holds well. Oh, perfect.
Wait, you're going to the south, are we?
Yes. Oh, you're right. It'll be literally, there's a tiny, yeah, there. Yes. Close enough.
Yeah.
Put it in tour. Much better in tour for the roads, for the normal roads. Are we backwards? Right, are we? Oh, right. Well, my God, that was fun. That was extremely fun, and I think one of the things I've missed about riding in a group, actually, just creaked my neck, is things like that. As soon as we get to the end of a fast section, we pull in and it's just a good chat, you know. Oh, that time where you went a bit wide there, and you see what that car did, and oh, all that sort of stuff. And it's great at the bar as well. I love it, going to for a couple of drinks after with the boys. Let's stop him. And yeah, it's been a really nice trip. Yeah, so there we're going to the south, and what we'll do, there's a fantastic road from Kirkmichael to Peel. It's like a coastal road, which is really nice actually. So we'll go to the Sound Cafe, might even try and get the drone out, see how that goes, and then we'll probably go to Peel again. Wonderful place. And yeah, just ride around for the rest of the day. Ferry doesn't check in until about 7, I think. Closes at 8. So full day in the saddle if you want it. So yeah, I'll sign off there and we'll catch up in a bit. Well, we're just about to get to the Sound Cafe now. Some lovely buildings and that, but my god, what a turn of the worst for the worst with the weather. I hope that doesn't ruin our day. All my waterproofs are back at the apartment. We've checked out, but she'll let us leave our bags. Oh, slippy. And what a view! Maniac.
Suicide, Chris was back.
Ah, it's you?
You?
When?
That's right, about 5.
5?
Right, Suicide Chris doesn't think he did any soup.
No, no idea what you're on about.
He's calling me the maniac.
Do you want to go here? No, he's alright.